First, open your browser and go to the 3D Aim Trainer official website. Once you're there, click on the Download button. When the file finishes downloading, double-click the setup file to start the installation process. Just follow the on-screen steps. It's super easy. Next, we need to register an account. Go to the registration website. I used a temporary email from another site just for this setup, but you can use your real email if you prefer. Fill in the details and create your account. Once you're done, open the setup again and log in using your email and password. Now it's time to download the main 3D Aim Trainer files. The download might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. You can also open Steam, search for 3D Aim Trainer, then click Add to Library and download it there as well. That way, you can easily launch it anytime from your Steam library. Once you open 3D Aim Trainer, you'll see the main interface. From here, you can choose which game you want to practice for, like Valorant, CS2, or Call of Duty. You'll also see features like daily challenges, global ranking, and skill training, where you can track your progress and level up your aim skills. You can train step by step, level by level, improving your reaction time, accuracy, and consistency with every session. That's it! You've successfully installed and set up 3D Aim Trainer. Now go ahead, start practicing, and get ready to dominate your next game like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy training!